Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Inspiron 3481. So first you have to come this site. This is officially site dell.com, this official. So after that click on support and then click on driver download. So enter the model number and then hit enter. So this is your laptop. Now you can see there are two options to install via C automatically. Automatically means all driver will update it. Okay, but you are facing some issues. You have to install only one driver and degrade and upgrade like that. So that in case you have to select this separate drive. Okay. After that, click the categorize. Okay. So scroll down. You can find out the keyboard, mouse, input device. Okay, and click to download. So and it is started in the download box. And then just single click to open, then click on yes, then click on installed.